I just got home. Let's see if there's any birds in the house. There's a bird. Oh, you're eating. What a good bird. Uh-oh, you want to come out here? Oh, you look pretty happy. Are you having a nice day? Hi, Homer.
Hi, Homer.
Pretty. What a good bird.
Homer.
There he is. You're so cute. How about a Chuka? Chuka? Oh, you want me to tickle you? Tickle you. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Oh, you faker. You didn't want to tickle. You just wanted to jump on me. All right, guys. I got to eat some lunch or something, okay?